Let's rank the solubility of each of these compounds in water. So starting with this first set, we have two alkyl chains to compare. Well, the higher degree of branching is going to be a bit more soluble in water. Therefore, this compound is going to be the least soluble. It doesn't have any intermolecular forces beyond dispersion that are going to allow it to be more soluble in water. So this one will be the least, then the more branched compound, then the ether, because it now has a dipole-dipole moment. But the alcohol is the most like water. It has hydrogen bonding that could form with water, and it has the dipole-dipole forces, whereas the ether only has the dipole interactions. If we move down to the second set, we are comparing an alcohol